Hey everyone, it's Desiree, and I am here with another Scrappy Tales release. I know I say it every time, but this one is absolutely gorgeous. Yep, she did it again. This release is called Heartfelt Wing Collection. So you know where we're going with this, right? Okay. So I'm going to set these aside. Yep, and this is not even all of the collection. So let's start with the paper. It is called Butterfly Kisses. And again, it's 24 sheets, 12 designs, 4 of each design. And I love the fact that when it comes to her pattern paper, she's pulling from her collection to make these papers, which I think is great. This would be great just as a card itself. Stick a sentiment on there. Some beautiful roses, butterflies, background pieces. I love the shade here. And again, we're going into our backgrounds and we're going into another round of that. Because again, 24 sheets, 12 designs, 4 of each design. So first up is a hot foil set, and it's 3 beautiful butterflies. And this is called Thin Lined Butterfly, and there are coordinating dies available. She usually does have these listed as a set where it can save you just a little bit of money, or you can buy them separately if you would like. So beautiful detail on them, beautiful designs. Next up is another foil set. So this one has a beautiful frame. You can see it's like a trellis type frame, and you get some butterflies and a sentiment that says thanks. Again, there is also a coordinating die set for this foil set, but again, you can purchase them separately, or she will group them together in a set for you. We have a Slimline Frame, or base, whatever you want to call it. Beautiful swirls, flourishes. Again, we have that frame coming in, that trellis-like frame, and lots of butterflies. She's even gone so far to have the centers of the butterflies that you can add as well. So she's always thinking ahead, adding that layering. And this is called Slimline Swirl Butterfly. And I apologize, this foil is called Butterfly Frame. Next up is a die, beautiful butterfly, and you get a sentiment that says hello. And there's also a stencil that is available that coordinates with this butterfly, which is awesome. You can buy them separately again, or you can buy them as a set. But this stencil does coordinate with that butterfly. Our next one up is the I Love You butterfly. Let me check that. Yes, I Love You butterfly. So beautiful sentiment going across here, a butterfly, and then again, that stencil that coordinates with this butterfly. Again, you can buy it as a set, or you can get them individually. I'm going to keep on saying that, so you all get that. Okay. And here is the Thank You butterfly. Let me check that name again. Yes. Same thing. Beautiful, nice, bold sentiment, your butterfly, and then the stencils coordinate that to give it life, give it color. Or you can certainly use your inks or your pencils or any type of medium that you like to have fun with. Next up is this adorable little butterfly set. Now, this is what I call a freebie if you spend so much, and she will have that listed on her website. But beautiful, great detail in the die, and then of course we have the body that goes on top of that. But you can get this separately as well. This is a beautiful spring wreath. So you have your base here, you have the outline over here, and then all of these pieces you can die cut to place on top of this. So it is one of those layering dies where she provides that base, and then you can just dig into your scraps, die cut them, and place them on top of that wreath. And you can see it's a nice size, and I believe this, let's see, this measures, let's measure that real quick. So the wreath itself measures almost 5 inches. And this way it's almost 5 inches. So almost 5 inches in diameter is the size of that wreath. Some more die cutting, and I do apologize because, you know, I took this out of the packaging and lost it. This is called, you know, only me. This is called the A7 Intricate Oval. So you have this piece here that will cut out. You have this outer border here. So you can detach this and have a piece that sits on top. And then you have these beautiful roses that you can do a lot of die cut inlay. So it's a beautiful, beautiful die set. Again, the A7 Intricate Oval. For those of you that love, excuse me, nice big bold dies like I do, here's our butterfly. This is absolutely gorgeous. All of the details, you have the outer piece, and then you have this center piece. You can do die cut inlay in here. Here's the body that will go over that. And this actually coordinates with this. This here is a pop-up stand. So when you put this together, you can make die cut this butterfly multiple times and it'll be propped up in the stand. Absolutely gorgeous. I know I don't have samples, but I'm going to tell you where you need to go and at what time and where to be so that you can see all of the beautiful samples. So these do coordinate together, but they are sold separately. We have some of our wonderful layering birds. These are the layered spring birds, and they coordinate with this absolutely beautiful bird cage. So much I'm seeing for this bird cage. This would make a great shaker. The birds, of course, can fit inside there. So lots of possibilities. And again, these are available separately. So some great layering dies on that. We have another layering die set, and this is the Blue Jay. So beautiful Blue Jay here. We have some florals, a branch for him to sit on. So lots of elements. And again, she thinks of everything. Here's the feet. She'll have the beak in here somewhere, I'm sure, right there. And again, all of the layering pieces for the flower so that you can add dimensions to your pieces. Yes, we have a pop-up. Absolutely, we must have a pop-up. And this, of course, is called the A7 Pop-Up Birdhouse. How fitting. These birds will fit gorgeously in here. The butterflies hanging around it as well. This is two pieces, so you'll get this, and you will also get this mechanism as well when you make this purchase. I cannot wait to see what Sabrina has done with this. Well, with everything. And here come the stamps. This stamp set is called Spread Your Wings. Beautiful butterfly images, great with any medium that you love to color with. You have some great sentiments. Happy Mother's Day, spread your wings. Love to my amazing mother-in-law. So we remember the mother-in-laws. That's awesome. Thanks for all you do, Grandma. We were pulling in the grandmas. We got Mom here. You did it. You're going to fly high. So beautiful, beautiful stamps, and there are coordinating dies available as well. But again, she does put these together as a set, but you can purchase those separately. And last but not least, this is absolutely gorgeous. Heartfelt Wings, the name of the collection. Beautiful, nice, large image. This will also fit the die, so you can have all of this beautiful detail on that die cut of the butterfly as you have that in the stand. Two more beautiful butterflies. Or moths. I think they're moths. No, butterflies. Let's go with either. They have beautiful wings. Absolutely. And some great sentiments as well. And nice different sizes too, which is great. Again, coordinating dies are available. I'm going to check that butterfly die real quick. Nope, that is different. I do apologize. My mistake. It is a different. It's close to the sides, but the wings are different. So, nope, separate. Separate. Gotta have it separate. So, my mistake, but how gorgeous would that be? You could still stamp this. There's your outline, and it would still fit in that pop-up. Sabrina has now been coming out with kits, which is absolutely wonderful, and I'm going to show you what comes in the kits. You will get this stamp set and only the stamp set, not the coordinating dies. You will receive the Hello Butterfly stencil and die set with this kit. You will receive the 6x6 paper pad, Butterfly Kisses, and 2 exclusive gem packs for this kit only. So these are only available in the kit. I know, but look how cute they are. We have pearls, we have rhinestones, we have adorable little flowers in there. Absolutely great mix. And those pearls just have a green tint to them, which is great. And the gems are yellow. And then this one, this is absolutely my favorite. These are some beautiful gems in here. And look at those butterfly wings. Can you see them? I hope I'm not going out of focus. But those beautiful butterfly wings. Again, these are only available with the kit. Okay? So here's your kit. And then all of the other products as well. So I hope you enjoyed this. Now, where do you need to be? You need to make sure that you go to the Scrappy Tales YouTube channel. I'm going to have it linked down below. It's today, the 22nd, and you want to make sure that you're there at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. And she will be showing all of these products and all of, I'm sure, beautiful samples that she has created. All right, so I hope to see you all over there in the comments. I know it's going to be wonderful. Everything that I've shown here will be linked. I will have a link to her shop and to the collections specifically, and again, to her YouTube channel. So make sure you go over there and check it out, and stay tuned for some pretty cool products, or projects, I should say. Guys, have a great day. If you haven't yet, I'd love for you to support the channel by hitting the subscribe button and that thumbs up. But remember, what is always most important to me, always be creative. And I'll talk to you in the next one. Till then.